Turn on a light, impressing or no lies. Humor talks and thoughts, shedding emotionless thoughts. Seen her things for a second glance as she turns through her magazine. In my room, she'll get to you. In my room, she'll get to you. In my room, could I turn on the light, impress unknown eyes, humor absorbs the thoughts, lift up your snorts and hats, played like dancing fool, turning the tension round, building up silent sounds. Just another day, all in my room, struck out like before, all in my in my room, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, sir. Standing next to me. 2 years have gone now, but I can't relate to the never-ending games that you play. As desire passes through, then you're open to the truth. I hope you understand that your love is standing next to me. It's standing next to me. The one you fell for makes it seem juvenile, and you laugh at yourself again and again, and you'll drink to the thoughts she'll remember you maybe tomorrow. And your love is standing next to me, is standing next to me, and your love is standing next to me, is standing next to me, is standing next to me, is standing next to me. After 2 years have gone now, but I can't relate to the never-ending games that you play. truth out of you. Understand and your love is standing next to me. It's 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 called The Chamber. Everybody happy so far?
Yeah! Woo!
We came over with Miles and I to do some interviews and whatnot. The most our forthcoming record extravaganza. and we just thought it would be nice to play for some folks. Well, thank you all for coming down.
Probably just audio. It's probably just audio.
Leave yourself alone, leave yourself alone. Leave yourself alone, you see you're only here to be torn apart. Based upon a nothingness. So leave yourself alone. Leave yourself alone. Tell your wasted time, your wasted time. Tell your wasted time that I am worse, and I would waste it all. Given the chance I owe apologies. So tell your wasted time. Tell your wasted time. It's torture. Locked inside the chamber. Cornered by yourself, cornered by yourself, cornered by yourself. You must admit that you are the instigator, hanging on to arguments. And you're cornered by yourself. It's torture. Locked inside the chamber. Lost inside the chamber. Locked inside the chamber. To drown you, and she claimed, oh she claimed, it's only the truth she holds in her hand. Yes, it's only the truth she holds in her hand. 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 it to sneak up away from your stomach and try your pulse and capture what seemed all unknowing and candid, but they suspected it was false. She's playful, the poem would warn you, be careful of her brigade in order to tame this relentless marauder. Move away from the parade. She was walking on the tables in the glass house, endearingly bedraggled in the wind. Subtle in an echo of seduction, and 20 little tragedies begin. And she would throw a feather bowl in the road if she thought that it would set the scene. Unfitting leaders into your companion, enlightenment to make you see. And there's affection to rest, the age of the understatement, before the attraction for men. Kiss me properly and pull me apart. Affection to rest, the age of the understatement, before this attraction for men. Kiss me properly and pull me apart. My fingers scratching my hair before my mind can get too reckless. The idea of seeing you here is enough to make the sweat go cold. Cheers. I broke the glass here. Into his consciousness, wherever he lays, he struggles to sleep at night and during the day. She's waiting in his dreams to drag him back to the meeting places. Oh, God left him there, where the voice still echoes. I'm sorry I met you, darling. I'm sorry I met you as she turned into